Hi guys, today I want to try out an apple peeler. I picked this up for a friend of mine who likes to bake a lot. They've been having some trouble with arthritis in their fingers, so thought this might be something they would like, and thought I would put it together and try it out before I give it to them. You can see here it's made by STARFRIT. And also comes with a steel core and a stainless steel core and a slicer. So let's see what we've got here. So this would be the slicer. Got some instructions here. Core, stainless steel core, 2 pieces. This is the actual peeler here. What else we have here? We have the handle. So it's looking like it's going to be pretty easy to put together here. It's got some blades here. Focus on that. Couple blades. Got some suction cup for the base here. That's pretty cool. Another blade in there. Alright, there really isn't any type of setup. All I've had to do is just put the handle on by sliding it here like that. You just push the machine down, making sure the suction feet are secure on a flat, dry surface. Okay, so that's good. Take off the cover. These are really sharp. That's where we'll be mounting the apple. And then the blade here has a guard on it as well. Take that off. Be careful because that's sharp, very sharp there. So what I'll be doing according to the instructions is once I mount the apple here, I'm starting out with the blade like right there underneath the prongs, and I'll be turning the knob clockwise just until it's peeled. So you grab an apple here and mount it, see how it works. That was really easy. Now let's try the slicer. Okay, so you're going to need 2 hands for this. You just put it over the center of the apple. Alright, that was super easy. Get that core out later. I was amazed how the peel came off in one piece. So let's try a couple more apples here. I got some different sizes here. Got a much bigger one. This one's fairly similar to what I just peeled. Let's try those out. you're finished with the peeler, just rinse the blade off, as well as the steel prong. And the slicer, dry everything. Also notice that in the instruction manual, there's some apple recipes. And also looked online and saw that peeler starts at around $12 on Amazon. Walmart. So you can check that out yourself. So anyway, hope the video has been helpful. Good luck if you try out this peeler. Until next time, everyone has a great day. Take care.